Hello, greetings. Welcome to the Well of Lesson class, lesson 10. Today's lessons, we continue with short sentences. So let's begin. In Wolof, la, translated in English, is. Di, translated in English, di, and li, translated in English, this. Now, la, meaning is in English, always comes at the end of the sentence. Like for example, this is a book. Li book la. The same thing applies to here, bi, meaning di in English. We use it in Wolof, it always comes at the end of the sentence. For example, the phone. In Wolof we said phone bi. In Wolof we said fi banjul la. Fi banjul la. Translate in English. Here is banjo. Here is banjo. In Wolof we said li bananala. Li bananala. Translate in English. This is a banana. In Wolof we said jotalima. Jotilima. Translate in English. Pass me. Pass me. Like pass me the phone or pass me the spoon. When asking someone to give you something in Wolof, we say johma. Johma in Wolof. Translate in English, give me. In Wolof, we said lolu bahna. Lolu bahna. Translate in English, that's good. That's good. In Wolof, we said namu nala. Namu nala. Translate in English, miss you. In Wolof, we said ma la raw. Ma la raw. Translate in English, miss you more. Miss you more. In Wolof, we said yow danga rafet. Yow danga rafet. Translate in English, you are so beautiful. You are so beautiful. In Wolof, we said fofu neex na torop. Fofu neex na torop. Translate in English, that place was beautiful. That place was beautiful. Thank you all. This brings us to the end of the Wolof lesson class. I hope it was informative for you watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell for new updates, and share with friends. Peace and love to you all.